Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, as you see, our transaction declined for 3062 rupees on HDFC bank credit card. Reason online users disabled, enabled via EVM. So friends, in this video you will learn how to enable online users for your credit card, HDFC credit card. So friends, now click on the link. Now click OK. You will see here option enable credit card online transactions. Okay, please help me with your registered mobile number. Now you have to enter your registered mobile number here. Please enter the OTP received at your mobile number. Now enter the OTP that you have received in your registered mobile number. Click send. Please enter the last 4 digits of your credit card number and then click proceed. You will see the credit limit 1 lakh. Online e-commerce, domestic it's disabled. Just you need to tap on this disable button to make it enable, and you will see now it is enabled. And now again we have to click on proceed button. You will see the status here, card summary, online e-commerce domestic enabled. So friends, in this way you can enable the online transactions for your credit card. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.